Welcome to Street Art Museum Amsterdam. Our collection is spread through Amsterdam Nieuw-West, and we are beautifying the neighborhood. It has a reputation of the don't go to area. The community is still dispersed, and you have the clusters of cultures that do their own thing. So I hope that our artwork will really connect everybody, because there is a color for every culture.
En este caso que hemos intervenido en la plaza, hemos intervenido 100 metros por 150 metros. Lo que estamos haciendo hoy aquí es intentar que la gente de este barrio, de diferentes culturas y de diferentes procedencias, se conecten entre ellos. Como veis, es una plaza gris, transmito color, alegría, vida.
This Asphalt Art project can really help bring people together. Connection is very important in art, and that's what it does here.
Citizens, residents, entrepreneurs and local stakeholders together design this square. So I hope Asphalt Art will also attract people to come to the square and then experience the businesses that are here.
Now they look bright and colorful, and people actually pause to have a picnic here. And that for me also creates an all-around sense of new community.
People need to be safe, feel alive, and I think this is what this project made possible.
I hope that with Asphalt Art we can have a lasting impact when it comes to art in public space here.
I think art should be there for everyone.